Alright guys, so on our previous lecture we talked about Telegram bots, how you can get started on everything. So on these lectures I'm just going to explain to you guys how you can go about creating your Telegram bot using bot.business. So the first step we're just going to do is using Father as our to connect to our API store. So as usual, the first thing you're going to do is go and create your new bot, follow the simple instruction which I know and I believe you all might have done. So if you want to see the list of bots to create using Father, you go to my bot, and then so we're going to be using free bot code for the practical and the lecture. So I'll go to free bot code. So like now I haven't put any pictures on the Father. So what I'm going to do next, I'll just go to edit bot, and then so we edit the bot feed. So okay, now send them a new photo you want to use for the bot feed. So this practical is currently brought to you by Afenja and sponsored by Cashnera. So we'll be using Cashnera as our logo. Okay, we'll be using Cashnera as our logo. So okay, so if you want to see your bot, you go to edit bot bit, so edit free bot code 1. So you see how your bot look like. Now you haven't done any command, so you go command that response, so you can see your profile picture now and everything. So you press start. So there's nothing like command now. So this is what we are going to be working on, this start itself. So okay, the next step we'll go to bot Father, and then we'll press back to bot, and then this is the API token we're going to be using. We go to bot.business. Okay, so as usually we're going to be hosting the HTTPS as we're going to be using it as the token, you understand? So we'll go to bot.business. Like as usual, we create a new bot, and then you include the name, you paste your token here, you understand? You paste your token here, so which I've done already, and this my bot. So no need of doing it. So but if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, so I'll just go to my bot, and then I'll go to free bot code, which is the one I did. So I'll edit bot, and then so this is the token I pasted. So even though I cut, like I did this, you still see it now. So this is the token I pasted here, so it's still the same. So I'll just press create and save. So the next thing we're going to do is you go to list, and then you make sure you install all lists, because it's used to without the list some both code will be showing errors. So you make sure you install everything, and okay, so we install everything up so maybe in the next previous lectures I'll be explaining to you guys that you can use why I feel you should install all these lists. So maybe part 2 lectures I'll be explaining to you guys. So you go to free bot code, and okay, so that's the referral list, and then you install blog. Well, I'm advising you all to install all the code. So in order to save time, I'll just installing the common one. So this is the membership checker, and install it also. And free bot code. So in order to save time now, we'll just keep some of the bot code. So but I'm advising you all, like I said earlier, to install all code. So our first command you're just going to give in, we'll put on the start. If quite not much, if you guys don't know how you can code, because to create this type of programming language you need to learn to create Telegram bots using bot.business. You need to learn how to code. So if you guys don't know how to code, I'll drop all source code on my bot channel. So this is the free bot code you can use, and then you can get all your thing. And so what you just what I'm doing is to edit it and then paste down your own stuff. So the first one on the start icon. So this is start. So this is start which you've done. So you copied it instead of just writing it manually. So you copy this also from freeboot code. I'll drop the URL at the description, and then you go to edit BGS and you paste it here. So now this SLTD official, this Telegram channel that they are expected to join. So when I start it, now you all understand what I'm trying to say. So let's go back to bot.business. Okay, free bot code. We press start now. So you can see now this is the SLT official. So instead of doing this, I'll change it now, and you see it now. So I'll change it to Cash Naira. You understand what I'm trying to say? Cash Naira. Okay, so you can see now. So you can see. So here also is okay, I'm looking for it. So you add the balance whenever a referral is being joined. Like let me say 10.00 naira whenever a new user join your balance. So this was each referrals. Like maybe I invited you and join my listing, so I'm getting 10.00. So you can change yours too. So if you check balance from here, okay, so from here also balance.add. Okay, so you save it now, and then you save this. Okay, so we're just gonna be clicking on start again. Sorry. We're gonna be clicking on start again. So like okay, free bot code. So we click on start. So you can see now before it was Cash. Now it's because I know write it very well, that's why it's showing like this. So before it was Cash Naira, and I'm sorry, SLTD official, you know it's Cash Naira. So I'll go back and edit it, and then you see the difference. So Cash Naira. So okay, you save it and you go back to click on start. So you can see now Cash Naira is showing, but the Naira will show okay. So let's edit the end, and then start. Okay, so now the Telegram you have 0.17 subscribers. Okay, so this is my Telegram channel. So the next thing, even though you click on join now, nothing is going to be happening because you haven't added administrators. Add an admin. So you go to free bot code and okay, okay, you go to free bot code, you add your bot as admin and make it everything. Okay, so you go to, even though you click join now, nothing will show because you haven't included other commands. So the second thing I'm going to do is go to bot code and then free bot code. Okay, so this is what I was looking for. Okay, so this is it. This is where I pasted the first code, which I'll drop link on our description. So you can see this command here now. If user is joined itself, this stuff, if user is joined, now you paste this command here, joined. You go and create another command. Sorry, I've edited again. Okay, you go to joined, new command, joined, and go back to the other one and paste it. So, okay. So, we'll go to, like as usual, we edit it to cash now. So, the reason why I'm using cash now, so for you guys to just understand everything, instead of using my channel, you can use your channel also. So, you save it, and then the next one is say uncheck join. So, which is the command that will bring out this particular uncheck join. So, click on it to paste it, and then new command and uncheck join. So you go to edit BJF as usual, and pretty much longer. If you don't know how to code, some of these things are going to be difficult for you. So this is the command that is going to bring us home, bot.one command. So you can use this as your own, but just leave it like this in order not to get confused. So whenever a user is joined channel, I've joined your channel, it will run the command home, which okay. So I haven't saved this, or I'll save it. So you go to the new command now and press home. Okay. So and then we are not going to be editing BJF. The next thing you're just going to do now. So whenever the user has joined your channel, it will tell that person welcome to let me say Cashnera. Okay, welcome to Cashnera, and then the keyboard that is going to be sending was used as the keyboard is going to be keyboard account bonus and statistics. So we're going to be taking the keyboard bonus statistics as this. So if you guys don't know what this particular /.n is to give space, you understand? So let me say, okay, let me just put it for you so you guys understand. Okay, so you see slash comma, so you understand what I'm trying to say. So let's go back to both code, and then we click on join now. So now it has run the command, and that's the command it runs, bonus referral link. So the use of that /n, now that I don't know what to call it, but let me just call it by that name, the comma, whatever they call it. We're not here for English, so we're using n to this space. So we save it, and then we run the command again. You see the changes on the board. So we go to join, and straight to the changes now. So that /m is to use to give space. It's used for giving space to the board. So let's go back to both, and then we click bonus, nothing showing, account, nothing showing, referral link, nothing showing, statistics, nothing showing, nothing. Okay, so we'll first of all go to bonus, and we'll copy this. We go to new command. And then put bonus. Then we go to edit BJS as usual. So like my Telegram channel, I usually put code on. I'll go there, you see bonus code. Okay, so if you really want to learn programming language, you can contact me for your programming tutorial. So you can also, apart from, so this is the bonus command code. So you paste it here. So for each bonus, congratulations, you have received 0.20 Doge. So for each bonus each receive, you can make it like 10 Doge, maybe 0, you can make it 10 Doge, 0 Doge, etc. So congratulations, you have received. You can even make it as never anyone you want. So 10.000 Doge or never, any of them. So we save it, and we save it, and then we go back to run the bonus command. free boot code. So congratulations, I have received 10 dollars. So now your balance won't show because you haven't completed the account details. So account command. So go to my account and sorry. Okay. So we can add the balance now. Account, and then you can edit the BGS and you paste this. So now you can change it. You can use anyone you want. You can add balance. Can make it as accounts. Any of them. So you then go back to the thing and run the command again and see accounts now. So 10 dollars. So this is 10 dollars you receive from bonus. So as usual, you already received bonus. You come back in 23 hours. So this is the balance and these are those. So you can create referral link and many more, etc. So let's create a set wallet account. Okay, we go to new command and okay, there's no set wallet here. So you can just use the start from here. Okay. So let's say I want to do that, I will put slash set wallet. Which emoji we're going to be using now? Emoji. Okay, let's just use this. So save it and we run our command. So whenever you add new stuff, I'll also advise you guys to start your page and join. So now when you are set to copy the command and then you go to set wallet. So make sure everything is exactly as put it. If you do like this, you give space because there you see there's something like there's something like giving space, but say you didn't give space, you don't need to bring out error code. So you can go to edit BGS and then you go to boot code, free boot code, then okay, so this is the command. This is the command I'm going to give you, and then so there's something I want to explain here. So I'll try to set or change wallet. So our command now, the next command we are going to be using is set or change wallet. That if your wallet is undefined. Undefined simply means if you didn't set your wallet, you can. So now set or change wallet. Now we now bring set or change wallet. Now we now bring okay. Sorry for the set or change wallet. Now we now bring down. Okay. Boot code. Set or change wallet now. We bring edit BGS. So go to the command set or change wallet and then paste it. So now we are going to be waiting to answer. Make sure the wait answer is found on. So because when you see this, you see answer test to those wallet and we'll post the answer here. And you can put send your those wallet, any of them. So we wait for an answer before the command runs. So we go back to our page to test it out and see what is written. Okay, free boot code. Now we'll say set wallet, and it tell us to set or change wallet. Okay, set your Doge wallet. Let me just put any number. If the Doge wallet is say that invalid Doge wallet. Okay, so as usual, and so that's the ending of the lectures tonight. So if you have any questions, you comment below and I will reply to your comments, or you follow me on my Telegram page. So I currently have two Telegram, or you follow our Telegram channel. We have so many channels. We have Kashmir and so many others like that. Or if you're looking for an expert developer for your Telegram page, you can also contact us. So here is our free Telegram channel with investment sites and free airtime giveaway from Nigeria. So okay, so we do auto payments and at times so this is pending payment which we are supposed to know. So okay, so I think that's our lecture tonight. So this particular channel, I will drop the link in the description below where you guys will learn everything. Thanks for watching this video. See you on my next video.